Dear students, in this class we have to discuss another chapter that's name is projection of planes. In earlier classes we have to already learn that what is the definition of points. We know that what do you mean by a point? What is a point? See, this is a point having a definition. It is an object. Which type of object? Dimensionless object. Dimensionless object is called point. It is done in engineering drawing. It is denoted by an alphabet. Either it is A or B or C, etc. Next one, what do you mean by line? Line. What do you mean by line? Here I am put 2 points. This is first point. This is second point. This connecting these 2 points, I have drawn a line. That means this is a line. So we can define as line is the shortest distance between 2 points. See, this is A, this is B. Now, next one, what is the plane? In this chapter, we have to discuss what is the definition of planes and what are the major example of planes. Okay, see, what do you mean by a plane? See, suppose I am putting 4 points here. 4 points. This is marked as A, B, C, D. And connecting these all points, we have to get a shape. Its shape is a rectangular. So, this is an internal area of rectangle. This is an internal area of rectangle. So, we can say that an area which is bounded by straight line and having particular length and breadth, but do not having thickness is called plane. See, this is an area bounded by, this is vertical line, this is also vertical line, this is horizontal line, this is also horizontal line. An area which is bounded by straight line having a particular length and a particular width is called lamina. It does not having any particular thickness. Such type of figure is called plane, or other name of plane is called lamina. We have different shapes of lamina. Suppose this is another type of lamina. That means an area which is bounded by a straight line having a particular length and width does not having a thickness. Its length and width is same. So we can say that this is a square lamina, this is a rectangular lamina. Another type of lamina. What is the shape of this lamina? The shape of lamina is a triangular. We know that this is an area bounded by 3 straight lines. It is shape of triangular. Next one, another type of lamina. We know that this is a hexagon. So we can say that an area which is bounded by straight line, 6 number of straight lines having a particular length and width but does not having a thickness. Such type of lamina is hexagonal lamina or hexagonal plane. Another one, we know that this is pentagon, the pentagon. So this is also lamina or plane. And suppose this is another area bounded by a, not a straight line, it is a curved line. So we can modify this definition, bounded by straight line or curved line, And this is another type of lamina. Its shape is oval shape. We in engineering drawing we called it as ellipse. So this is another area which is bounded by curved surface. So we can conclude what is the definition of lamina or plane. See, in lamina or plane, an area which is bounded by straight line or curved line having a particular length, breadth, and does not having any thickness. Such type of plane figure is called lamina. We have different types of laminas, or we have different types of examples such as rectangular, square, triangular, pentagon, hexagon, circle, ellipse are some of the example of lamina. Okay.